Theta Digital Money is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks right now experience the ill effects of unfortunate dissemination in less evolved nations, exorbitant establishment, and a brought-together gadget. Moreover, Theta considers the current framework caught off guard for the developing requests that it will look because of the developing execution of 4K, 8K, computer-generated experience, and other high-level turns of events. Theta was an ERC-20 coin in light of Ethereum blockchain. Presently it chips away at its own mainnet. Theta makes a shared P2P network that means to tackle these issues utilizing the blockchain, which fills in as a motivation layer to keep up with the persistent elite exhibition of the conveyance organization. We should find out along with Changelly who is behind this venture and what the cryptographic money climate will mean for the cost of a coin. Theta Central Worth. Theta cryptographic money comprises of two sections. The first is a video conveyance organization. It is shaped from hubs that join the organization and give their transmission capacity. This organization shapes the genuine decentralized conveyance of video. The subsequent part is the Theta blockchain. It exists to advance motivations so members can join the conveyance organization. Theta makes a P2P network organization of clients who share their data transmission. The outcome ought to be a worldwide organization that replaces or supplements the current CDN framework. Clients can give their gadgets as reserving hubs that send video transfers to any watcher on the planet. A reserving hub is a hub where video information is put away. Since the Theta organization will have undeniably more storing and handoff focuses than the ongoing framework, stream quality will get to the next level. This is because of the way that video bundles won't have to travel that far. Storing hubs will be compensated with Theta tokens. Theta's blockchain will likely act as an agreement connect for installments and prizes in the biological system. It is essential to realize that video records are not put away in the blockchain. This wouldn't be imaginable because of information necessities. The blockchain is completely open and the group trusts that designers will make and post their own dApps on the blockchain. Theta Digital Money utilizes an accumulated mark conspire. This implies that the gatekeeper hubs, rather than sending their marks to the wide range of various hubs, send them to adjoining hubs. This cycle keeps spreading marks. Similarly, an infection would spread in a pandemic. Can't stack gadget Theta value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $1.19, and Theta is buy position number 49 in the whole crypto environment. The course supply of Theta organization is 1 billion Theta, with a market cap of $1,192,226,598.33. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 7 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Theta has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 8.45%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Theta has expanded by 24.29%, adding a monster normal measure of 29 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource, now assuming it keeps on developing. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Theta organization costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Theta organization will be $1.61. The greatest level that the Theta cost can reach is $1.92. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.67. Likely return for money invested, 61.3% by Theta value figure for February 2023, in light of the value variances of Theta organization. Toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.23 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.13 and at $1.27 individually. Likely return for capital invested, 6.7% by WOC 2023. Theta organization value gauge digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Theta cost in WOC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.20, while the greatest could reach $1.33 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Theta organization may be around $1.26. Possible return for money invested, 11.8% by Theta value figure for April 2023. Crypto experts have checked the value changes of Theta organization in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Theta rate they anticipate may be around $1.28 in April 2023. It can drop to $1.23 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.39. Likely return on initial capital investment, 16.8% by May 2023. Theta organization value figure around mid-year 2023. The Theta cost will be exchanged at $1.33 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Theta organization worth to $1.45. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.27 in May 2023. Possible return for money invested, 21.8% by Theta value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Theta organization costs in 2023. So they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $1.39. The most minimal and top Theta rates may be $1.34 and $1.52. Likely return for money invested, 27.7% by July 2023. Theta organization value gauge crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Theta cost will be around $1.43. In July 2023, the Theta organization cost might drop to at least $1.37. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.59 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 33.6% by Theta value figure for August 2023. Having broke down Theta organization costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Theta rate could arrive at a limit of $1.66 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $1.42. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Theta organization is almost $1.47. Expected return for capital invested, 39.5% by September 2023. Theta organization value estimate around mid-2023. The Theta organization cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.51. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Theta cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1.47 and $1.74. Possible return for capital invested, 46.2% by Theta value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Theta organization worth won't dip under at least $1.50. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.80. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.56. Likely return for money invested, 51.3% by November 2023. Theta organization value gauge digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Theta costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Theta organization will be around $1.80.